What better time than shopping during sale time? So let's get started. Hi, this is Shritama. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Nykaa haul. তোমরা হয়তো জানো 23rd July to 27th July অবধি Nykaa hot pink sale চলছিল. I will show you what I have bought. First on my list is Smashbox Always on Liquid Lipstick, the two most renowned shade, Boz and Gulabi. Just for the hot pink sale, they have curated mini size of both. বেস্ট পার্ট অফ মিনি ভার্সন কিনলে কি হয় যে তোমরা ইউজ করলে তারপরে যদি এটা ভালো লাগে তারপরে তোমরা বড় কিনে ইউজ করতে পারো। It is super long lasting. You can have your entire meal without having your lipstick even moved. If you are a lady who have long working hours or after office party, this is your lipstick. And trust me, you're not going to regret this purchase. I think both these shades are perfect for Indian skin tone. Boss is a perfect red for your Western and Indian outfit, whereas Gulabi is specifically made for Indian skin color, and it is a mauvish nudish pink. You can see the color I am wearing. It is very smooth. Next up is the Smashbox cult favorite primer water. It is a face primer and setting spray. আর এটা আমার কেন ভালো লাগে কারণ হচ্ছে এটা তোমরা as a primer use করতে পারবে মেকআপের আগে আর মেকআপের পরে as a setting spray, and it is very refreshing. It is suitable for all skin types and it is alcohol free, cruelty free, silicone free and vegan. What more do you want? If you buy more than 2000 rupees from Smashbox, you will get 3 travel size mini Smashbox primer free. So let me read out. One, I've got this. This is Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur primer. This one. And this one I have got Smashbox photo finish primerizer, that is primer and moisturizer in one. This is one palette which I always wanted to own, that is Huda Beauty's Rose Gold palette. Nykaa hot pink sale 35% off chilo Huda Beauty's iconic palette, ekta desert dusk আর একটা যেটা rose gold আমি কিনেছি. Guys, just see this beauty. Huda Beauty Red Gold palette remastered. Isn't it very pretty? It comes with a mirror which is very handy. Now let us see this 18 colors. 9 of them are foil pigmented eyeshadow and remaining 9 are matte eyeshadow. They have pretty good mixture of color combination. You can do natural nude and party makeup as well. This product is must buy for all makeup lovers and it is so worth it. It will show on all colors of Indian skin tone, be it darker or lighter skin tone. It has pinks, reds, magenta, sandalwood, burnt orange and of course black for your smoky eyes. I think for the price it's a steal, guys. I have recently started using liquid eyeshadow and I have become fan of it. So after a long research I came across this Etude Miraholic eyeshadow in the shade WH902. This comes in cute little packaging. This is long lasting, easy to use and it's so glittery and quick fixing. And guys, I got this in Nykaa pink sale at flat 50% off. Can you believe it?
Start.
And how can we forget our essential during this pandemic? This Lifebuoy spray I've gotten 15% off. Neem wash I got around 10% off for washing your vegetables and fruits. Please serve the ardhubenna fruits and vegetables. And obviously a sanitizer. This is 500 ml tub which was retailing around 250. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Do follow me on Instagram for more updates. See you soon on next video.